Question number 4. In the figure below, the question mark represents a common feature between both species. What is it? Between the frog and salamanders. A, presence of limbs. B, absence of limbs. C, absence tail. D, presence of neck. What is common between frog and salamander? Let's go through the answers. A, presence of limbs. Both of them have limbs, and this is the strongest one. And by the way, this is the correct answer in this case. Okay, this is the correct answer. Absence of limb, we cannot say it. Why? Because frog and salamander, both of them do contain. Okay, they have limbs. Absence of tail, the salamander has tail, so it is not common between both. Even the frog is tailless, by the way, but he said they're common. Presence of neck is absent in the frog, but it's present in the salamander, so we cannot choose D. So the correct answer is A, the presence of limbs, which is present in both of them. So it is the common feature between both species.